Have you ever wondered why fish keeping seems to attract so many quiet, reflective people? Is it just a coincidence? Or is there something about the hobby itself that naturally appeals to the introverted mind? Hello, welcome back to Minds Over Aquarium. I am Dr. J. One of the biggest misconceptions about introverts is that we don't like people, but that's not what introversion means. Introversion isn't about disliking social interactions. It's about how we recharge. While some people feel energized after being around others, many introverts regain their energy through quiet moments, reflection, and time alone. And that's where fish keeping becomes interesting. Fish keeping invites us to slow down. To observe means observing fish behavior. Even when fish keepers feed their aquariums, we are noticing who's eating and who's not. Because most often when a fish isn't eating is an important clue, and that's either they're being bullied or they're sick. To be patient means being still and noticing if all the fish are engaging when it's time to eat. It isn't a hobby that rewards rushing. It rewards paying attention. Sometimes the most rewarding part of fish keeping isn't doing anything at all. It's simply sitting in front of the aquarium, watching the fish, and allowing your mind to settle. For many introverts, those moments aren't boring. They're restorative. An aquarium doesn't ask us to perform. It doesn't expect us to entertain anyone. It simply exists and invites us to be present. That doesn't mean every introvert enjoys fish keeping, and it certainly doesn't mean every fish keeper is an introvert. But it does make us think how different personalities are drawn to different kinds of hobbies. Some people recharge through excitement, like going to parties, group gatherings. Others recharge through stillness. Fish keeping offers that stillness. It offers routine, observation, and a quiet space where many people can think without being interrupted. In a world that often feels loud and busy, that can be incredibly valuable. Maybe that's one of the reasons fish keeping means so much to so many people. Not because it's simply about fish, but because it gives us permission to slow down, to breathe, to observe, and for some people to recharge, like myself. Fish keeping reminds us that there is nothing wrong with enjoying quiet moments. There's nothing wrong with finding peace in observation. And there is nothing wrong with needing time to restore your energy before stepping back into the world. For the introverted mind, an aquarium may be more than a collection of fish. It may become a place of reflection, a place of calm, and a place to simply be. And there is nothing wrong with needing time to restore your energy before stepping back into the world. Thank you for watching Mind Over Aquariums. Again, my name is Dr. J. This is where psychology meets aquariums. Stay mindful, stay grounded. Until next time, take care.